warm at the tip. It won't burn you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh yeah.
After 20 or 30 minutes, it forms a red coal. A couple minutes more, it drills a hole all the way through. The red coal falls into the cotton.
Yeah.
How many minutes?
This is the leaf they use to cook their fish in. It's very pliable and very.
This is a coffee tree.
It sterilizes the meat when you're cooking it over fire. This is in the Amazon rainforest. The spears are made from this palm tree here. This is from the Indian tribes that they use for their spears. And you can see the palm tree up on top there. It's dense and heavy. You should have felt that spear, you guys.
Indigenous people like to paint themselves for different occasions, sometimes every day. This is one of their favorite paints. Should we paint her arm?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, and this has the advantage that it doesn't come off for a few days.
Wow.
Right? In the time that it takes to come off, it's really good for the skin. It's nourishing the skin, helping to erase blemishes, firming up the skin. We figured out how to combine this tree sap with other plants and bathe whole faces, whole bodies to improve the skin. Right? There's more if you squeeze. Cypress. This one has big compound leaves with these leaflets. So what's going on? The thing is, it's not really cedar. The wood just looks like cedar. And the Spanish were getting it from their slaves for decades before they ever saw the tree. They thought they were getting cedar wood. All right. This is the best species for making a dugout canoe when it's huge and no one would know how old.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, here we go.
That's crazy.
Oh, to half.
Oh man.
And so the indigenous people interpret that the plant is going to sleep. They use it with children that don't sleep very well.